welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're going to, what are we doing? Oh yeah, today we're going to be making a theme and coloring on CAPCUT because I posted a video on TikTok because I don't really know what YouTube video to make. So I posted a video and people said they want me making a theme and coloring on CAPCUT. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, here it is. I don't really know how this works. I have used it, but I've used it for overlays, like adding overlays. I haven't really used it for editing. So we're gonna see. So I have this video and it obviously doesn't have a coloring because, yeah, there's this filter button. No, that looks bad. Food, tasty. It's not, what? Why is it gone? Where'd it go? Oh, I think you have to like, what? Oh, that's, what is this? No, I'm not using this though. Why am I, okay. Food, movie, no, ice, tasty. I really like tasty. Maybe you can like overlap filters. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. Adjust. You can adjust. Okay, that's fun. What do we want to adjust though? I don't know. No, it's all good. We don't need to adjust. We're gonna add another filter on top. Oh, I feel like this looks like more of like a kid core, I think it's called, coloring. Okay, maybe we can go with this. It's kind of okay. We're going to like tune it down. Can we like add more nature? Ooh, interesting. Oh, I like this. It's more of like, what's it called? I think it's called like kidcore or something like that. No, it looks disgusting. Delete it. And you know, we'll just stick with this. This is the best I'm ever gonna get. Now there's effect. What is this? Oh, stars. Oh my god. Retro. Oh, I like this. This is like on prequel. Basic. What's in basic? Oh, countdowns. Why do I love this? This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're just gonna stick with the star though. Now what do we do? Do we go on to canvas? What's canvas? Oh no. Background. What does that do? You can add a background. What is this weird? No. What? Oh. No, I don't want that. I'm just fine with this. Anyways, text. Text template. I know these are like intros, so because I've used that. Oh, okay. Add text. New theme. Okay. Now how do I change the font? Oh, style. This is cool. There's a Vogue. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's interesting. Can you get to pick the colors, or I don't know. I don't really want one. No. Okay. Shadow. Can I add a, how do I okay. This is interesting. Okay. Oh no, why is it so far? Come back. Why does everything end all of a sudden? Oh, clearly I'm not a good timer. That looks weird. It's fine. I'm actually just gonna make like something simple because I know this is going to be hard for me. Where's the middle? Doesn't this show like, oh, so it shows the center, but where's the middle? Is it, no? Oh, there we go. I need to bring it up. Okay, there we go. Fun. Auto captions. Please note this. No, I don't want that. Bubble. Oh, Oh my god, why is this so cool? Oh my god, oh my god. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so... No, where'd it go? No, 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 no. Bubble. Okay, what's it? Yeah. This is so cool. How do I add text? No. How do I add text? Oh. New theme tester. Style. Can we make it? You can... Why do I love this so much? No. Oh. Oh no, I wanna change the color to white. Okay. This looks amazing. Why do I love this? No, come back here. New theme tester. Okay, it looks really good. Now we're gonna make a line. Cause how do I adjust the spacing? There's animation. This is so cool. Why don't okay. I love this. I'm sorry. Can I make it like spaced? Oh. That looks weird. I don't know how to make like a line. I mean, I do, but okay, it's fine. We're just gonna add new theme tester made with CAPCUT. No, how do I change the font? Okay. Postmodern. No, I don't want the effects. No, I don't want that anymore. I want normal. How do I duplicate this? How do we like copy? Oh, copy. Of course. Okay, this is amazing. How do I duplicate this? Copy. Copy. Style. Text. Go away now. We can write adds Sherry because watermarks are important even if the theme is not the best. No, not you. Can I make like... I can. Okay. Oh, I love it. Why do I love it? I'm just going to like, hold up. I'm going to export it with high resolution because we need the highest resolution possible. Okay. We're going to like edit the end out because it like, yeah, there we go. Let's see how it looks. I hope it looks amazing. Oh yeah, there's no sound ever. This looks so good. No, it doesn't. I'm lying. I'm just trying to convince myself. I mean, it's not the worst, but look at this. I love that. The little... Oh my god. I could have used for so many other things. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. No, what? Next week. Bye.